I'm Tina.
I'm Ross.
And today we have some hot drinks and some Kit Kats that we're going to try. All of these were sent to us by our kind viewer, Richard. So thank you so much, Richard.
Yes, thank you.
These are all Kit Kat Chunkies. We got hazelnut, cream, caramel.
We have white chocolate and Lotus Biscoff.
And to drink, we have Ovaltine.
And we have Horlicks. And we have not tried any of these beverages.
Right. I mean, we've seen Ovaltine, never tried it. Horlicks was brand new to us, so we're looking forward to heating up some milk and giving them a try. So we'll be right back. Okay, so we heated up some milk, and I've got Ovaltine on my side, and Ross has Horlicks on his.
Yes, I can tell there's a clear difference in color. The Ovaltine looks darker in color.
Yeah, it definitely looked darker and more chocolatey looking. Are these both malted? Is that my understanding? I think it said malted.
Yes, Horlicks deliciously creamy malty taste. It's traditionally crafted using malt, wheat, and barley. Mm-hmm. Yes.
All right.
Never tried it before. Heard of Ovaltine for years. Even a little kid, I remember the Ovaltine commercials. Every time I hear Ovaltine, I can't help but think of the movie Christmas Story.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, ready to try them?
Sure.
Okay.
Here we go. I like that. Yeah, that's good. Kind of almost like a sweet and salty.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, you want to give it a try?
Sure. This one kind of reminds. It has a slight chocolatey taste to it.
Yeah. This reminds me of Quick.
Mm-hmm. Maybe not quite as chocolatey as Quick, but reminds you of it a bit.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, both are good. I like that.
Yeah, because I remember when we kind of took a sniff of both, and this one doesn't have much scent to it.
Yeah, I was surprised.
I can see this as like sort of a comforting kind of drink before bed.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Do you have a preference?
Gotta try again.
I know you're going to say it depends on my mood.
I might actually like Horlicks better, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm really liking the Horlicks.
Mm-hmm.
But I also like the Ovaltine. After all these years. Finally, after all these years, finally trying Ovaltine. And yeah, it reminds me very much of the Quick chocolate powder drink grew up with. Maybe a little thicker.
Yeah.
Thicker consistency.
Yeah, I think just for overall flavor, though, I'm actually enjoying the Horlicks, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Free from artificial colors, flavors, sweeteners, preservatives. Yeah, that's a top-notch I don't know why we don't have this in our Cost Plus.
Yeah.
After trying this, if we saw this in our market, I'd pick this up.
Yeah, looks like this has vitamins and minerals in it. Does that one too?
You're psychic. I was just eyeballing the nutritional value table here, and yeah, that looks...
Apologies, I have a little difficulty. They've got kind of a yellow printing on orange, and it's a little hard to read.
Yeah, it's looks healthy. Has algae information on here.
Yeah, it just says deliciously soothing malty drink.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it says barley malt and cream.
Yeah. Really enjoy the flavor of both, but I like that.
Yeah, there's something about that one.
Yeah. Try more.
I really like how smooth and creamy that one tastes, whereas this one has a little bit of a... I'm not sure what flavor... Yeah, I'm thinking there's something about this flavor I think I like better.
Yeah.
Like there's something that's like it's trying to be chocolate, but it's not quite there.
Really? Well, I could see this replacing your sleepy time tea. Yeah, they're both good. Mm-hmm. Yeah. This has just been nice because all the times I can remember those childhood commercials thinking, oh, wow, Ovaltine. Can we get some? Yeah, you're getting the quick powder. We always get quick. We're never getting Ovaltine. So I finally get to try it. That's what it tastes like. Yeah, was not disappointed whatsoever. Yeah, pleasantly surprised at the flavor of Horlicks.
Yeah, and fun to try something we had never heard of that brand before.
Yeah, it's just depressing now that we don't see it in our store. And it will replace your sleepy time tea as long as the container's still full.
Well, you know, you can get we can find Ovaltine somewhere.
Where? Where was the last time you saw it? No, I'm being very serious. When was the last time you saw Ovaltine in a store?
Well, I haven't really looked for it, but maybe Walmart?
Okay, well, we'll keep our eyes open the next time we go to Walmart to see if they still have Ovaltine. And is there a slight difference in the Brit Ovaltine compared to the American Ovaltine?
What we get here? Yeah.
Don't know. Okay.
Don't know either.
So you pointed something out.
Yeah, I just noticed that it says, first developed by brothers William and James Horlicks since 1873, Horlicks has supported explorers on the way to both poles, nourished soldiers through 2 world wars, and fortified athletes in the Olympics.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
That's a pretty decent track record.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool.
Okay.
Very nice.
Are we ready to try some Kit Kats?
Am I ready?
And now we found another one that I know we've tried the popcorn one before. In the Kit Kat Chunky, the salted caramel popcorn. Now I'm trying to remember if somebody, I feel like we got one in a subscription box at one time. And I don't know if that's where we tried it first and somebody sent us this one, or if somebody sent us one first. I think somebody sent us one first and then we got one in their box. But
I do need to create a spreadsheet.
Yeah.
And track all this.
in any case, I don't know, maybe we could always save that till last because I don't know if we're going to be too full or not.
Yeah. Okay, but with that said, I'm assuming your first pick is going to be the white chocolate because we all know how Tina feels about white chocolate. Best thing on earth, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not so much.
Not so much.
But I'm always up for giving things a try.
Okay.
See how they are. And the interesting thing is we've started seeing some Kit Kat Chunkies show up at Cost Plus World Market.
Yes.
They used to not have them. So, and in individual bars like this that you can buy. I don't remember what flavors I saw last time we were there, but...
Caramel.
Do they have caramel? Okay.
I could have sworn I saw caramel, maybe peanut butter.
Oh, they might have had peanut butter because I know we've had peanut butter before. That was probably one of my favorites.
It was good.
Yeah.
That was excellent. Okay, sweet. Okay. Let me just cut this in half. And I can tell you're just bursting with excitement. Can't wait to try.
Can't wait.
Okay. There you go, honey.
I'll take this piece because it probably has less white chocolate on it.
That's the spirit. Okay.
That white chocolate's always overly sweet to me.
You know, it's candy.
And it doesn't taste like chocolate.
It's supposed to be sweet. I don't mind white chocolate. Okay, we'll never see eye to eye on this
No.
one. But I liked it. I like the difference between the texture with little wafers. And
Yeah. And one thing I have to say, I know you're always more of a Kit Kat fan than I am.
Yes.
It's not one of my go-to candy bars or chocolate bars. But the Kit Kat Chunkies I've enjoyed more. I like these better than the regular Kit Kat bars. I will say that.
Why?
I think it's just the larger size, more layers, and more chocolate on them, maybe.
More chocolate to wafer ratio?
Yeah, I don't know. I can't tell you exactly. I just like them better.
Okay. All right. With
All right.
that said, which one would you like to try next?
Let's try the Lotus.
Biscoff Lotus. And here we go. Still amazes me to this day you have not had a whatchamacallit.
If I have, it was a very long time ago, like when I was a child. That's the color of chocolate.
There you go, honey. Boop.
So I'm trying to look at that top layer. Is that the Biscoff? Is it like Biscoff cream or something?
You know, I believe you could be very well correct. That top layer there, I believe that's the Biscoff cream. There we go.
Yeah, like that.
It's funny you say you like that, because I think this is actually sweeter than the white chocolate.
Really?
With that extra layer.
I do like the, what's it they have in it? Is it cinnamon?
Cinnamon, yes.
Yeah, I do like that.
That's good.
Like that flavor.
Yeah, it's a nice combo.
All right.
Pairs nicely with Horlicks.
Shall we do the chunky caramel next?
Why not? Okay.
Want me to open it?
If you like. I just got some chocolate shrapnel on there.
Uh-oh.
No leakage.
Maybe just slightly.
The containment leak.
Not bad.
Really had to cut into that.
See that gooey caramel coming out.
There you go. There we go. Of the caramel and chocolate combination. Thoughts?
That's nice. I think I might like the Lotus one better.
Really?
Biscoff, yeah.
Okay.
Something about the flavors in that one I really enjoy. How about you?
Well, I like the flavors in both, but I think you get that sticky
The caramel.
texture of the caramel that
Yeah.
you expect from caramel with chocolate with this one. But, yeah, I like the combination of flavors in both.
Oops.
The chunky and the Biscoff. What do you have there? You have the...
Next up, hazelnut cream. You know I always look forward to hazelnut.
Yes, you do. I'm wondering if that's going to be your favorite.
We'll see.
Okay. Again, Richard, thank you very much. Nice, solid. Like I'm cutting through a big piece of meat. Okay, ready? Oh, see the layer on top?
Yep.
That's nice. You can taste it?
Yeah, it's like Nutella and a Kit Kat, huh?
That's a very good pairing.
Yeah, it's nice.
Like if you dipped a Kit Kat in a jar of Nutella, which I'm sure people have done.
Maybe that's where they got the idea. Yeah, that was tasty.
Yes. We're down to one remaining one, which we've had before.
Although it'll be interesting because we haven't tried it in a while, so.
Yes. It would be the chunky Kit Kat soft caramel popcorn.
Salted caramel.
I'm not wearing glasses. Salted caramel. Thank you.
Yeah, I think this one's kind of got your salty and sweet going on, so
Yeah.
see how that is.
We'll have to definitely see how that compares.
I'm getting full though.
Yeah, we just had a couple bowls of clam chowder. And,
Yeah.
okay. Yeah. Okay. There you go, sweetie.
Thank you.
Oh. Mm. Yeah, I'm getting the salty and the sweet.
Mm-hmm. That's a little bit of that popcorn flavor.
It does have popcorn flavor.
But also the sweet caramel.
Mm-hmm. And the texture is almost like tiny, tiny little bits of popcorn.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
That's a fun one. But now to decide
You want
favorites.
to pair it with some?
Want to try a little bit more of the Ovaltine?
I would love to. After tasting this, I do have a question, and that is, and hopefully someone can answer us. Does Horlicks actually just come in and I'm assuming there's different flavors this comes in.
Because that says original.
Because it says original. But I'm just curious. Can you let us know what other flavors this wonderful product comes in? And also, that's the first time we tried Ovaltine. I don't know if Ovaltine comes in any other flavor or it's
I'm
just...
not sure.
Yeah, just like classic Ovaltine. What you get, what you see is what you get, and that's it. If you can just let us know. But back to Kit Kats. What was your favorite?
This is going to be tough, I think. I'm kind of torn between the hazelnut and the Lotus Biscoff. Those two were kind of...
Really?
Those two were tops for me.
Mm.
I would try them again, but I'm way too full.
Are you? Are you really?
I am. Yeah, I always loved the hazelnut flavor, but I really enjoyed the Lotus Biscoff too. I didn't expect to like that one that much, but I do like it. How about you?
It's a toss-up. Okay, I will say number one was the Lotus Biscoff. That was number one.
Okay.
But a tie in second place would be the caramel versus the salted caramel popcorn. But enjoyed them all, especially the white chocolate. All good. Richard, thank you very much.
Thanks so much, Richard.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I'm trying to think. Now, if we had peanut butter here, that still might come out on top for me. I don't know. I do love chocolate and peanut butter together.
You do.
Yeah. Hard to say, but those other two were tops for me too.
Yes. Good choices.
Yeah. So let us know in the comments if you tried any of these Kit Kat Chunky flavors, or maybe have other flavors that are your favorite. And also let us know between Ovaltine and Horlicks, do you like drinking these as a hot drink? So if you like food reactions and food tastings, give this video a thumbs up. If you like our content, subscribe to our channel as well. And hit that notification bell so you know we publish a new video. And until next time, bye-bye.
Bye.